Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to disable slow mode in a Discord channel, step by step. This is super useful if you're managing an active server and want conversations to flow freely without the wait. First, open up Discord and go to the server where the channel is located. Make sure you're either the server owner or have the right permissions. Specifically, you need to have the Manage Channel permission. Without that, you won't be able to change slow mode settings. Now once you're in the server, look at the list of text channels. Pick the one you want to modify and click on the gear icon next to the channel name. This opens the channel settings. You should land on the Overview tab by default. Now scroll down just a bit and you'll see the option labeled Slow Mode. This is a slider that lets you control how many seconds users have to wait before sending another message. If the slider is set to anything above 0, like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or even a few minutes, that means slow mode is active. To turn it off, all you need to do is drag the slider all the way to the left until it shows off. After adjusting the slider, scroll down and hit the Save Changes button. If you forget to save, your changes won't apply, so make sure you don't. Skip this part. Now let's go back to the channel and test it. Try sending a few messages quickly. If there's no timer stopping you, that means slow mode is successfully turned off. Just a quick tip. You can use slow mode strategically to prevent spam during busy discussions, so consider whether you want it on during certain events or announcements. Alright, that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from our channel. And if you have any question or comment, drop it in the comment section. I'll try to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.